Jackson, do you want ice? Show Mama. Say ice. Say ice.
Hi.
Can you say please? Say please. Go sit in your chair. Tell Mama, please. Ice. Sit in your chair. Sit down. Sit down. Say please. Please, ice. Sit down. Can you say please? Please? How do you say ice? You say ice, please. Do you like ice? Can you say please? You can't say it because your hands are full? Okay. Can you say hello? Say hello. 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 You're so funny. Bye-bye. Nah. No bye-bye? No. Can you tell Mama? Ice. Do you want to eat? Eat ice? Say yum. Yummy. Thank you. Yeah, it's Wawa. Yeah. Can you say please? Please. Oh, okay. Wawa? Is it ice? Do you want dance party? Dance, dance, dance? Yeah? Dance party? Oh, do you want to listen to We Are Young? Say, We Are Young. You want that song? Do you want to have dance party? Say, dance, 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 dance. We are young. Yes? Okay.